How to reset Bluetooth on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up settings. Inside settings, simply tap on Bluetooth. Just like that, you can simply toggle Bluetooth off and wait for a few seconds and then turn it back again. Now inside, you'll simply find the connected device. Then tap on this little icon right over here. Now tap on forget this device. And now tap on forget this device again. Now reconnect your device again. This often fixes most issues. If not, head back to home screen, open up settings. Inside settings, scroll below, tap on general. Inside general, scroll below again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset, then select reset network settings. This will reset Bluetooth settings, Wi-Fi and network settings. So you will need to reconnect everything afterward. And now you can simply restart your iPhone after doing these steps for best results. That's it, your Bluetooth should now be working properly again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.